Wasps were making paper 100 million years before humans invented it. That gray nest in your yard, it's literally paper, homemade paper. A paper wasp scrapes fibers off dead wood and old fences with her jaws. She chews it with saliva until it becomes a wet pulp. Then she spreads that pulp into thin sheets and it dries into real paper. Look closely and you'll see stripes, gray, tan, brown, all swirled together. That's not paint. Each stripe is a different batch of wood the colony collected that day. The whole nest is basically a patchwork of paper. This paper isn't just a shell, it's climate control. The walls have overlapping layers with tiny air pockets, like insulation. That keeps the nest a steady 86 degrees, rain or shine. Here's the wildest part. A 1700 scientist watched wasps doing this, and it helped inspire wood pulp paper for humans. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more mind-blowing facts. Visit Sikho.ai.